I'll be cleaning this mass airflow sensor, also known as a MAF sensor, on a Cadillac CTS. This will be similar to other vehicles, but if you need to replace, this process will be the same. But you really should clean it first. Okay, so in order to get to it, open the hood, and on the driver's side is the air intake and air filter housing area, which I have a separate video you can watch after this if needing to replace the filter. If the air filter is dirty, that could be causing problems with this sensor. Anyway, the exact location of the mass airflow sensor is right here next to the air filter. And again, if replacing the air filter, you might as well clean the MAF sensor as well. So I'll make some space to get to it. Remove the engine oil cap, and then pop up the engine cover plate, screw back in the oil cap, and now I can easily work on the MAF sensor. There are two screws here, one on top and the bottom. These are the only tools and supplies you need to either clean or replace the mass airflow sensor. A ratchet wrench with either a T15 Torx bit, some mass airflow sensor cleaner, and optionally some electric parts cleaner for the wire harness connector. I'll put all tools and supplies used in the description for easy reference, with a written step-by-step guide on how to clean or replace this MAF sensor. If this quick video helps, please tap the like button and subscribe. Back to the engine area. So I'm on the side of the car, and this is the wire harness. There is a push clip underneath. Just squeeze the clip up and pull this connector out. Here's how the springy push clip looks. Place it to the side. Grab your ratchet wrench with a Torx T15 bit and remove the bottom one first, and then the top one. Once it feels loose, unscrew it with your fingers so you don't drop it, and place to the side. Next, pull the sensor straight out. This is how it looks. Specifically, these are the wires that need to be cleaned. Very important, do not poke or touch those wires. Now to clean this. Grab a can of mass airflow sensor and the directions state to spray about 10 shots of this on the wires, and remember, do not physically touch those wires. You're just spraying them down. It's good to clean this every now and then to potentially increase horsepower and to make sure your vehicle is operating as best as it can be. I would suggest every time you replace your engine air filter to clean the sensor, or if you experience any symptoms such as any rough engine idling, poor fuel economy, a less powerful engine, or if you get any of those troubleshooting engine light codes like P0101 or P0102 up to P0105. All those codes indicate potential problems related to this mass airflow sensor. After spraying this, just let this air dry for about 30 minutes. Next, I'll reinstall this and pay close attention as I don't want to contaminate the sensor that I just cleaned. You can see I'm only touching the outer part. Luckily, this part fits in only one way. So nice job by the engineering department from Cadillac on this simplistic design. So only using your fingers, screw in the top and bottom screws. Then tighten with a ratchet and Torx T15 bit. Make sure it's just snug. Optionally, you can use some electric parts cleaner to clean the electrical connector, and then let it dry for a few minutes. Then just snap it into place, and then reattach the engine oil cap and engine cover. Luckily, this can be done within 10 minutes. As mentioned earlier, a good time to do this is when replacing the air filter, which I have a separate video you can watch of that right now. If this has helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick, helpful, and insightful videos like this. And please let us all know what you think of this video or your personal experiences cleaning or replacing this mass airflow sensor. That should help others out. Until next time, have a great day or night.